Hi, hello and namaste. Welcome to our channel CM on Bike, and this is Chanakya Sai. How are you all? Hope everyone is doing fine, and I pray God to keep everyone healthy and stay safe. So friends, today topic is how many of you are suffering with mileage problem and pickup problem in your bike, whatever the bike may be. So if that is the case, you came to the right video. Today I want to demonstrate a small video, friend. This is not a drag video. This is a small and informative video to you. I will share in very brief manner. So stay tuned. Before going to the video, my small request is that please subscribe to my channel if those who didn't subscribe, and please like my video so that I will get encouraged and I will do more such informative videos. So let us go to the topic. Sorry. Mileage, pickup, these are the most important and directly proportional points in the any vehicle, whatever it may be, two-wheeler or four-wheeler, three-wheeler, anything. So I will say clearly, speedily, engine, friends. First of all, engine. For example, human body, the heart is the most crucial thing in the human body. Like that, in the vehicle, any vehicle, the engine is the heart of the vehicle. So our heart is running with blood and engine is running with oil. If the blood is not purified properly, then we will die. In the same way, if you are not using proper engine oil and you don't change the engine oil time to time, then your engine will die. So my request is that, and my suggestion is that, please maintain engine properly. What is the maintenance, you may ask? Just to use proper engine oil, semi-synthetic oil you use. If your vehicle is around 200 cc, more than 200 cc, then you definitely use semi-synthetic oil and you just see the result. Your engine will become more smoother and more powerful. If the engine is powerful, then the no load on the engine. So your mileage will be increased in that case. And one more thing. Change engine oil time to time. If for example, if the company gave 3000, I said in the earlier videos, you change for 2500 kilometers only. So now engine is perfect. Engine is perfect, that is keep apart. Second point, air filter, friends. What is air filter? These are the like our lungs in the vehicle. If the air which is coming outside from the atmosphere, why this air is required? Because if the petrol and air mixture only, the engine will work, piston will work with blasting technology, the spark plug will create a spark and then it will fire and it will create a pressure on the piston, so that piston will run. That is called the firing, the mechanism. That is apart from, this is apart from us. So if the air which is coming from air filter goes through that unit, combustion unit, so that the spark plug release spark, so that it will come. If the air filter is not purified, it is dusty, so pure air will not go inside. Then the proper amount of air not go inside, and the petrol will take more petrol, and the spark which is created is very less, so that the pickup is definitely directly proportional. It will reduce. If the pickup is reduced, you will give more accelerator, then obviously mileage will decrease. So simple, you clean the filter for every 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, whatever it may be. For example, you clean for 30 days, friends, because your vehicle is serviced around 6 months nowadays. So you clean the air filter. It is very easy. Whatever the vehicle it may be, you ask in the showroom, where is my vehicle air filter located, so that you remove that and clean and replace. Very easy, friends. That will create a good air into the engine, so that the engine will work smoothly. Obviously you will get pickup and mileage. Second point is completed. Third point and most crucial point, friends, you listen carefully. Chain is the most important thing in the vehicle that depends on the mileage and pickup. How? I will explain. Friends, we have two toothed wheels to run our vehicle. The toothed wheel which is coming from engine will located in the front, and the toothed wheel is located in the back wheel. and there is a medium called chain to run. If the front toothed wheel is rotating, then back wheel with the medium of this chain. So if the chain is not correct, if the chain is loose, then the front toothed will rotate, and the chain loose, it will be a loss of power. Loss of power, and it will not go smoothly. It will take more power, and it will go slowly. You may think that why my vehicle is not going, you may think that. So my suggestion is that you keep chain tension properly. You don't allow to lose the chain friction in the chain. You maintain properly. For every 500 to 600 kilometers, you go to the local mechanic and say that you please adjust my chain. Simple, you give 10 rupees, he will adjust that. And you now say, one other point regarding the chain, you lubricate the chain very oftenly, because if the chain is lubricated only, then you will the toothed wheels will run smoothly. Otherwise, that is also a problem. You think that I made a proper setting, but I am not getting pickup and mileage. So you lubricate that very oftenly. 500 kilometers you lubricate. Actually normally we have to lubricate for every 200 kilometers, and you are lubricating, and after some days it will become greasy and dirty, some sand particles on that. So you regularly clean for every 600-700 kilometers. With chain cleaners are available. If you don't have time, you take that sprays and you pour that on that, so that it will degrease. Then you left for some time. Then you again pour chain lubricants, which is available in the market. I will say in the later videos how to clean your chain and lubricate chain with only 7 rupees. I will say in the later videos. If you want to see now only, you can visit in my Trendset Power channel. You can find there. I explained clearly, but I will make a clear video and a HD video regarding this after this video. So stay tuned. And so that is the thing, friends. Clean the chain. First, engine oil. You keep proper engine oil. You clean the filter time to time. Chain tension you maintain properly. And don't change silencers. If the silencer is got changed, then also mileage will changes, because stock exhaust is very important. For example, bullet vehicles, most of them I am seeing, they will change compulsory the silencer which is giving a stock. So nowadays the rules and regulations got changed, and police are catching those who are kept loud exhaust, so that is not a problem. You definitely keep nowadays everyone is keeping their stock, no problem. Then mileage will be increased. And maintain proper tires. Your tire grip also depends upon the mileage. And one more thing, use proper petrol. Better use unleaded petrol, so that it have more power and boosters in that, so that the engine pickup will increase. If the pickup is there, your vehicle will go smoothly, so that the mileage will be increased, obviously. And one more thing, you don't apply more brakes, unnecessary brakes, and don't raise the vehicle unnecessarily. This also depends on the mileage and pickup. So that's the things, friends. These are the common things which we also know, but we don't do. If you do this, if you use semi-synthetic oil in the engine oil, then you will get good mileage, pickup. So obviously everything is working smooth. So obviously directly you think that we can compare this vehicle with the human body only. If everything goes well, we will do, otherwise we will take rest. Like that only the vehicle also, if you give everything properly, it will run, or else it will sleep. That's it, friends, I want to say. If you like the video, please like the video. If you don't like the video, please dislike the video. If you want to comment something, you comment in the comment section. And please subscribe to my channel and encourage me, so that I will do some more informative videos. So that's it, friends. I am signing off, and be safe in this corona time. That's it, friends. Chanakya Sai signing off.